The Jamaica Constabulary Force has launched a high-level probe following coordinated attacks on members and their families.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The Jamaica Constabulary Force has launched a high-level investigation into what is believed to be 3 coordinated attempts on the lives of police officers and their families last night, Friday the 18th of September. The police report that 3 men are in custody in relation to the incidents. Due to the very sensitive nature of this high-level investigation, the constabulary is unable to disclose further details at this time. In responding to the incidents, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson moved to assure the nation that the Jamaica Constabulary Force remains undeterred in their efforts to bring down criminal gangs. We will relentlessly pursue not only the individuals who carried out these attacks, but also those persons who helped facilitate, organize, and coordinate them in any way. The latest attacks have only served to strengthen our resolve to dismantle these criminal gangs. We will continue to pursue the support systems, connected parties, and the sources of funding for these criminal enterprises, Commissioner Anderson said. The Police Commissioner is imploring members of the JCF to be alert and vigilant at this time, as we repel attacks from criminals bent on undermining our efforts to keep the Jamaican people safe. Meanwhile, the JCF High Command has raised the threat level for violence against members of the JCF to high.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!